How to set time on Samsung gas range.
How can I help with your appliance question? What's the brand and model of your appliance? How old is it?
Samsung #NX60T8311SG new just installed.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung appliance? What have you tried so far?
This range is 1 day in our home.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have pressed clock icon for 3 seconds, press 4 and...
Good morning. My name is. I'll be assisting you with your appliance today. Please give me a moment to review your question. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your oven. I understand how frustrating that must be. To be clear, you're just trying to set the time of day, correct?
After pressing 4, the screen shows 4. 24 hours.
Perfect, thank you. If you don't mind, please allow me a few minutes to look up your model and type. Holding the clock button for 3 seconds, put the unit into energy saver mode. Here are the instructions to set the time. 1. Press the clock icon, do not hold it. 2. To select AM/PM, press the clock button again. 3. Enter the current time using the number pad. 4. Press Start/Set to confirm the settings. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else, just let me know. I hope you enjoy your experience with JustAnswer.com. I look forward to helping you again in the future.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.